wondered what the most dangerous places in the Philippines are? Well, let's take a journey together and explore some of these perilous terrains. First on the list is Mount Pinatubo, a site renowned for its destructive past. This active volcano may be a sight to behold, but the threat of eruptions makes it a hazardous zone. Next we have the Mayon volcano. Known for its perfect cone shape, it's more than just a marvel of nature. Its frequent eruptions and the unpredictable weather patterns surrounding it make it a place few dare to tread. Then there's the Tubataha Reefs. A paradise for divers, yes, but beneath the surface lies a high risk of accidents due to strong currents and the presence of dangerous marine life. These are just a few of the perilous places that exist in the Philippines. Now imagine it attempting to live there. What if someone decides to brave these risks and make these dangerous places their home? Imagine this, a brave soul daring to defy the odds, choosing to reside in the midst of danger. Their life is no ordinary one, rather a tale of courage, resilience, and indomitable spirit. Their experiences are as diverse as they are daunting. Every day, they face challenges that would make the average person quiver in fear. From dodging falling rocks to navigating treacherous terrains, their life is a constant adrenaline rush. But how do they manage to survive? The secret lies in their adaptability. They learn to respect the volatile nature of their surroundings, to predict the unpredictable, to always stay one step ahead of danger. Their life is a testament to human resilience, a story of survival against all odds. Living in these perilous places is not a stroll in the park, but a daily battle for survival. They embrace the challenge, proving that survival is indeed the greatest adventure of all. So what makes these places so dangerous? Well, let's dive headfirst into the perilous mix of elements that make survival in these areas a real-life adventure. First up, we have the constant threat of volcanic eruptions. These aren't your average campfire sparks, but rather a destructive force that can wipe out entire landscapes in a blink. Next, we have typhoons. Imagine the fiercest storm you've ever experienced, then multiply it by 10. That's what living through a typhoon is like. And it's not a once-in-a-blue-moon event, but an unwelcome regular guest in these parts. Then we have accidents. These areas are not known for their top-notch safety measures. Add to that a lack of robust infrastructure and emergency services, and you have a recipe for disaster. In these places, every day is a gamble. Every moment is a decision between safety and risk. Indeed, the danger in these places is real and ever-present. Can anyone live in these dangerous places in the Philippines? That's the question we've been grappling with. We've taken you through the perils, the unthinkable survival stories, and the stark reality of danger. We've heard firsthand from those brave or perhaps foolhardy souls who've attempted to make these treacherous terrains their home, and their experiences are a testament to the extreme risks involved. Remember, these are places that test human endurance to its very limits. Sweltering heat, relentless storms, perilous wildlife, and forbidding landscapes, all conspiring against the very notion of habitation. These are not just places on a map. They are stark reminders of how inhospitable our world can be. When we talk about adventure, there's always a line between thrill and danger. These places, they blur that line. They challenge it. While the allure of adventure might be tempting, it's clear that living in these dangerous places in the Philippines is a risk not many are willing or able to take.